Right guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be talking about progress made between track days basically. So, fucking hell. If you got a cat, just don't expect to get anything done. Come on mate. Basically, the aim of this video is just to show you how much you can improve sort of over quite a short period of time. So I went to Combe at the very beginning of the year in March, being my first proper track day of the year. I had done a couple of track days previously a few years back, but nothing for a while. And then I went back again a couple months ago in July. In between that, I'd been to Donington Park for a track day. Anglesey, I'd done a double day. And I then went to Bran. So essentially I've done 4 track days in between. A little bit of a backstory. First of all, I've currently got my leg set up because I've just been to Donington Park and I did a small high side in the wet. And unfortunately I came off, bruised my ankle pretty bad. So yeah, at the moment I'm a bit out of action. So whilst I've got a bit of time on my hands, I thought I would try and get through and edit a few of my videos. This is not necessarily going to be the same for everyone. Some people might be nearly as fast as I was or faster than I am. Now, the point is not really how fast I've gone, it's how much I've improved. That same bike, exactly same tyres. I literally bought the rear tyre new before I went to the first Combe day, and the scrub is the same scrub on the front, and I was still using that same pair of tyres at the second Combe day. They're pretty worn out by then. You know, bike's same power, same gear and everything else. The only difference is first Combe day I was riding with straight triple handlebars, and by the time I got to the second Combe day I'd converted to clip-ons and the full fairing. So yeah, the fairing probably would make, you know, a smidge of difference, maybe gain half a second a lap or something, but you'll see it's more than just from the fairing. Next to my computer with my leg up, if you can see. I'm not sure if you can or not, but basically I went to Donington Park recently. Fuck it now. There we go. Cats.